The Cosen C-780 FNC bandsaw is manufactured in Taiwan by Cosen. This machine is widely used in the fabrication, manufacturing, and metalworking industries, where precision and reliability are essential. I'm Ernesto with Sawblade.com, and today we're here at Myrex to talk about the Cosen C-780 FNC bandsaw machine. This is a horizontal cutting bandsaw with a cutting capacity of 21'6" round and 21'6" by 30.7 rectangular. It's perfect for cutting castings, forging, structural components, I-beams, and solids with efficiency and accuracy. The Cosen 780 FNC we are looking at here is standard model. The blade size for this machine is 23'7" length and 2" in width. Now let's talk about the blades we're running today. At Sawblade.com, we sell a lot of blades for the C780 FNC, and right now we're using the Q501 IC structural bimetal bandsaw blade, which is perfect for the carbon steel we are cutting today. The blade offers incredible performance thanks to its features like a unique profile that prevents tooth chipping, no braking needed, reduced noise, long life, and excellent cost per cut. This blade reduces vibration, increasing blade life, and saves you time and money. At Sawblade.com, we offer the Q501 at competitive prices with fast delivery. The Cosen C780 FNC has a 5-gallon coolant tank, and keep in mind, the coolant is just as important as blades when it comes to cutting efficiency and blade life. Today, we're using the C5200 semi-synthetic coolant, which is especially designed for bandsaws cutting carbon steel. The C5200 is a synthetic coolant that is low foaming, corrosion resistant, and biodegradable. Like the cutting fluids used in bandsawing, it should be mixed at a 10:1 ratio with water for optimal performance. The C5200 coolant helps in several key ways. It lubricates the blade, reducing friction, and keeps cuts clean and smooth, and most importantly, extends blade life by preventing overheating and premature blade wear. Using an inferior coolant will result in high blade costs and poor performance. The C5200 ensures efficiency, longer blade life, and cleaner cuts. Like a lot of the higher-end machines made, the Cosen C780 FNC uses carbide blade guides to keep the blades aligned. These guides are really important. In fact, one of the most common reasons for crooked cuts is worn or damaged blade guides. Blade guides are critical for keeping your blade straight and aligned during operation. People don't like to change because of the cost. It's true, the OEM guides from the manufacturer can be expensive, but at Sawblade.com, we offer black iron blade guides. The black iron guides are more durable, perform better, and cost less. Replacing your guides regularly keeps your machine running smoothly and cuts perfectly aligned. This C780 FNC machine is loaded with small features that reduce your cost, but you have to pay attention and keep the machine maintained. I'm talking about the importance of chip brush like the black iron 3" chip brush. This is the least expensive investment to reduce cost and is often overlooked. The black iron chip brush removes work-hardened chips from the blade teeth. If these chips aren't cleared, they can cause the blade to dull faster and produce poor quality cuts. The brush adjustment is a simple one. The brush should lightly contact the blade to clean off chips without wearing itself out. It's an inexpensive solution that can dramatically extend blade life. So to recap, the C780 FNC bandsaw is versatile horizontal cutting saw with unmatched performance for fabrication and machine chops. Paired with the products and service from Sawblade.com, we can make the machine even more efficient. I'm Ernesto with Sawblade.com. Thanks for watching.